What's up everyone? Welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the messages notifications not working issue on your MagicOS 8. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings scroll down and here tap on apps. Now again tap on this apps option and then scroll down and here tap on messages. Now go to the storage of messages and then clear the app data and cache memory of messages app. So to clear the cache memory, just simply tap on clear cache, and to clear the app data tap on clear data, and from the pop-up tap on delete to confirm. And after that the notifications will start working properly. But if you are still facing the issue, then open settings again. Now this time tap on sounds and vibration, and then in sounds and vibration tap on do not disturb. Now here you will see a do not disturb button. So if this button is turned on, it will silence the calls and notifications. So to fix the messages notification issue, tap on this do not disturb button to turn it off. And after turning off this button, you will start receiving the notifications from the messages app. Now after turning off do not disturb, if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is open settings one more time. Now scroll down to the end and tap on system and updates, and then tap on reset. Now tap on reset all settings, and then again tap on this reset all settings option to confirm. So when you will tap on this option here, it will reset all your mobile settings back to factory default, but it will not delete any data from your phone. And after resetting all settings, the messages notification issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the messages notification not working issue in MagicOS 8. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.